so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in. Do you ever feel?
Alright, so this is actually a pretty cool beat for Firework by Katy Perry. I don't believe it's particularly hard, but I think it's a pretty cool beat. Now, the hi-hat is really kind of optional because you don't hear it.
Already buried deep, 6 feet on.
It's kind of faint in there. And club music is kind of interesting like that because some of the parts that they play in club music aren't... They're totally doable on drum set, but they're not exactly played the same way live. So, but if we're going to add the hi-hat here, this is what we have. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... And in my attempt to make things a little neater for you guys, I'll write it down here first on my lap, because those angles that I try to write some of this stuff at is crazy. Alright, so here you go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 hand on the hi-hat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And I'm kind of accenting each beat a little bit, but I suppose that's optional. I think it feels better if you do that. So let's go ahead and add those accents. And accents when you play a louder note than the other notes. You're accentuating. And it's marked with those little arrow looking deals there. Alright, so the next thing I like to do is figure out where the snare drum is.
The screams, but no one seems to hear a thing. Do you know that there's
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've determined that it's on 2 and 4. So that's the snare drum there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now we got to do the bass drum.
the light.
Alright, hopefully that works out for us. Are you going to play? Oh, okay.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag?
1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1,
Do you ever feel this a paper thin?
1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So we got 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So I'm going to write that in there. So here's the whole thing right now. Now the chorus is a different part, but we're not really going over that right now. The chorus here is pretty straightforward, so we're going to assume that you know how to play that. So let's go over this together. So your hi-hat part, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and add the snare drum, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to add the bass drum here. Alright, now that bass drum rhythm is this by itself. Add the snare drum. And the hi-hat. So there you have it, that's Firework. Alright, what happened there? Okay, where's the second chorus? Or verse? Alright, here we go. 3, 4.
Do you ever feel like the plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel just a paper thin, like a house of cards, broken caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens and no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light.
There you go, firework.